Hey guys, welcome to the How To channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to create your own Telegram channel. Whether you want to share updates or you want to grow your community, creating a Telegram channel is a great way to do it. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now you need to go to the bottom right and click on this new message button, and here you will find this option of new channel. Click on it. Now it's time to set up your channel. You will be prompted to enter a name, so add the name of your channel, choose a catchy name, and then add the description of your channel. Write a brief description to let people know what your channel is about. You can also add a profile picture for your channel by tapping on the camera icon. So select an image that represents your channel well. Next, decide whether your channel will be public or private. A public channel can be found by anyone on the Telegram, while a private channel is only accessible to those you invite. So choose the option that best suits your needs. Finally, you can add members to your channels. Start by inviting your contacts or sharing an invite link with others. And with that, you have successfully created a Telegram channel. Now you can start broadcasting messages, sharing updates, and growing your community. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe the How To channel.